Hey guys, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the like button and hit the notifications. This will really help me out. Thank you very much. So, about to go out on the bike and I have a general warning on my dashboard and this symbol which I just had to look up. And my main running light has failed. It's a H4 bulb, which I will have to change. I'll figure out then how to do that. That's exciting. A light failure. So that is the cover for the center light. Now I can put my hand up in here. So this is a situation of where the H7 bulb is. As you can see, there's not much room and it's very tight. I'm holding a GoPro in my right hand. In my left hand I have my phone with the video live feed of my GoPro, so I can see what the situation is and how to remove the two wire clips that hold the H7 bulb in position. Well, I got one clip off and I'll see if I can do the other one.